Hola amigos! Today we're going to learn how to play flyswatter during remote learning. The easiest way to do this is going to be to use Google Slides. So let's say you previously have a Google Slides set up. Here's one that I have for La Familia. The thing is, I can click on and move all of these images and words right now, and I don't want my students to be able to do that when they're playing. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the slide and I'm going to choose File, Download, Ping, which is an image file, and it will download to the bottom of my screen right here. I'm going to click in this space in between the two slides and hit enter and delete this. And now I'm going to go to background, choose image, and I'm just going to drag this image. And now I have the exact same image that was on the previous slide, but nothing is movable. If I need to go back and edit anything, I still have this editable slide here. But for right now, we're going to work with this slide. So step one is to make sure that your images or words are the background of your slide. Step two is to add in markers. So we're going to go to shape, pick a circle, and in the margin here, I'm just going to create a little circle. And if I click on it and press Command D to duplicate it, I can make another one. And I'm going to change the color blue, and I will change the color of this one orange. And now these are the markers that I can drag over if I win that point in matamosca. But if I want to have multiple markers like this, I'm going to click on the circle and I'm going to press Command D again. And this board has 15 possible spaces, so I'm going to duplicate this 15 times. Now I'm going to drag my mouse over these to highlight all of them. I'm going to go to Arrange, Align, Center, and then again, Arrange, Align, Middle. And now they're all on top of each other. So if I drag one over, I still have all the rest here. And I'll do the same thing for this marker down here. Now that I've added the markers for the game, I am going to duplicate this slide. I'm going to make copies of it because what will happen is I will share this presentation with students and I will assign them partners and I will assign them each partner a slide number, and that's how they will all be able to play at the same time. So I'm going to click on the slide, again, Command D, and let's say I have a class of 30 kids, I need to make 15 copies. Then I just share this presentation with students and they have access to be able to play flyswatter with us all at the same time. I hope that helps. What else would you like to learn how to do during distance learning? Comment below.